Hello and welcome to technospot. In today's video, we will be exploring DALL-E, the revolutionary image generation system developed by OpenAI. DALL-E is a neural network-based system that can generate a wide range of images from simple textual descriptions. Whether you're a developer, artist, or just curious about this cutting-edge technology, this video is for you. In the following sections, we will discuss the capabilities of DALL-E and demonstrate how to use it to generate a wide range of images. We will also talk about the potential applications and implications of DALL-E and its role in the future of artificial intelligence and image generation. So without further ado, let's dive into the world of DALL-E. What is DALL-E? DALL-E, short for Dynamic Array of Long-Lived Excitement, is a neural network-based image generation system developed by OpenAI. It is capable of generating a wide range of images from textual descriptions, such as a two-story pink house with a white fence and a red door, or a person wearing a blue and green striped shirt riding a skateboard. DALL-E was trained on a dataset of text-image pairs and can generate images that are highly diverse and creative. It is able to generate images that are not only realistic, but also surreal and abstract. This makes it a powerful tool for tasks such as generating art, design concepts, and advertising materials. In addition to its creative capabilities, DALL-E also has the potential to be used in a variety of practical applications. For example, it could be used to generate product designs or architectural renderings from textual descriptions, or to create custom images for social media or marketing campaigns. Overall, DALL-E is a groundbreaking technology that has the potential to revolutionize the way we generate and use images. In this video, we will explore its capabilities in more detail and demonstrate how to use it to generate a wide range of images from textual descriptions. DALL-E was developed by the team at OpenAI, a research institute focused on advancing artificial intelligence in a responsible and safe manner. The team was inspired by the success of GPT-3, a natural language processing model developed by OpenAI, and wanted to create a similar system for generating images. The development of DALL-E began in late 2020, and the model was first announced to the public in January 2021. The team trained DALL-E on a dataset of text-image pairs and fine-tuned it to generate a wide range of images from textual descriptions. One of the key achievements of DALL-E is its ability to generate highly diverse and creative images. It is able to generate both realistic and surreal images, and can produce images that are not limited by the constraints of the real world. This makes it a powerful tool for tasks such as generating art and design concepts. DALL-E has received widespread attention and acclaim from the media and the tech community, and has been featured in a number of articles and interviews. It has also been recognized with several awards and accolades, including the Best Paper Award at the International Conference on Computer Vision in 2021. Overall, DALL-E is a groundbreaking technology that has the potential to revolutionize the way we generate and use images. In the following sections of this video, we will explore its capabilities in more detail and demonstrate how to use it to generate a wide range of images from textual descriptions. We will demonstrate how to use DALL-E to generate images from textual descriptions. To use DALL-E, you can either use the online interface provided by OpenAI or access the API through a programming language like Python. First, let's demonstrate how to use the online interface. Go to the DALL-E website openai.com and click on DALL-E, and sign in with your OpenAI account. If you don't have an account, you can create one by clicking the Sign Up button. Once you are signed in, type a textual description into the input field. For example, a 2-story pink house with a white fence and a red door. Press the Generate button. Wait for the image to be generated. This may take a few seconds. The generated image will be displayed on the page. You can download the image by right-clicking on it and selecting Save Image As. Now let's demonstrate how to use the API to access DALL-E. Install the OpenAI Python library. You can do this by running pip install OpenAI in your command prompt. Import the OpenAI library in your Python code. Set up your API key by running openai.api_key equals your_API_key, replacing your_API_key with your actual API key. Use the OpenAI image.create function to generate an image from a textual description. The image_URL variable will contain the URL of the generated image. You can use this URL to download or display the image in your application. And there we have it. We have successfully generated an image of a pink house using the DALL-E API. Don't forget to get your API key from the OpenAI dashboard before using the API. In conclusion, DALL-E is a groundbreaking image generation system developed by OpenAI that can generate a wide range of images from textual descriptions. Its ability to generate highly diverse and creative images makes it a powerful tool for tasks such as generating art, design concepts, and advertising materials. In this video, we explored the capabilities of DALL-E and demonstrated how to use it to generate images from textual descriptions. We also discussed the potential applications and implications of DALL-E and its role in the future of artificial intelligence and image generation. We hope you enjoyed learning about DALL-E and are inspired to try it out for yourself. If you want to learn more about DALL-E and other AI technologies, there are many resources available online, including articles, tutorials, and online courses. Thank you for watching.